Activity 1. Show that a current source and conductor are needed for flow of electric current. A. To demonstrate source of electric energy conducting wires are required for flow of electricity. Materials required: bulb, battery, switch, copper wires. Situation 1. Connect the ends of the copper wires to the terminals of the battery, bulb and switch. Now switch on the circuit and observe the bulb. We will observe that the bulb glows because the chemical energy stored in the battery is converted into electrical energy when it is on and makes the bulb glow. Situation 2. Remove the battery from the circuit. Again, switch on the circuit and observe the bulb. The bulb does not glow in this situation as the battery is not connected. Situation 3. Replace the copper wires with nylon wires and connect the nylon wires to the terminals of the battery through a bulb and switch. Now, switch on the circuit and observe the bulb. The bulb does not glow in the situation. The reason behind bulb not glowing in situation 2. Situation 3 is, in situation 2, battery is disconnected and thus no flow of current takes place. So, bulb does not glow. In situation 3, nylon wires act as insulators which do not conduct electricity. So, bulb doesn't glow. Hence, it can be concluded that the transfer of energy from battery to bulb is mainly dependent on the nature of substance. Conductor transfers energy from source to bulb, that is, it allows free flow of electrons through them. Insulator doesn't transfer energy from source to bulb, that is, it does not allow electrons to flow through them. Result: from this activity, we conclude that a source of electrical energy and conducting wires are required for the flow of electricity.